Being local doesn't always mean something you can hold in your hand. Sometimes it's a trust you hold in your heart. Powell Law is one of Northeast Pennsylvania's oldest personal injury law firms, handling cases from accidents and work injuries to disability and fighting for those wrongly accused. It was founded in 1906 by James Powell Sr., who tragically lost both parents at a very young age in the 1888 train wreck known as the Mud Run disaster.
He was an amazing man. He was orphaned when he was 11, worked first in the coal mines, became a teacher, ultimately a lawyer, began our practice under some strict guidelines of honor, integrity, trust, and those are principles that we practice to this day.
Mark Powell and his brother Chris are third-generation lawyers in the firm, practicing law just like their father and his father before him. And along with James Powell III, Bruce Zero, Christopher Osborne, and James Mundy, the team has litigated thousands of personal injury cases, but they treat each case as if it's the only one in the world.
One thing I can say is that we take every case very seriously. We take the smallest automobile accident case, as well as major truck cases, motorcycle cases, products liability cases. Every case we take very seriously and is most important to our client.
My grandfather used to call it the common touch. We try to practice with that principle as well.
James Powell Sr. believed lawyers have a duty to provide legal services to the needy. And Powell Law has been recognized 5 years straight with pro bono awards from the Lackawanna Bar and the Pennsylvania Bar Associations. Powell Law also gives back to the community through numerous sponsorships at all levels.
Again, we've been in the practice of law since 1906, so we kind of know everybody's family and grandfather and beyond that. But more importantly, I think, is that we are not just lawyers sitting here reading books. We are people. We participate in community projects. We're on the board of the Red Cross. We're on the board of the Lions Club. We sponsor and are coaches of baseball teams, softball teams, basketball teams. We are community-oriented.
With offices in Scranton, Taylor, Moscow, and Stroudsburg, Powell Law has been upholding its founders' ideals for more than 100 years. And no matter what, honor, integrity, and trust never go out of style.